Back now with continuing coverage on the daycare hot van death of a child in Brownsville. Today we learned one of the accused is currently in ICE custody. She appeared in the Brownsville Municipal Court. Channel 5's Stephanie Rosales was there for today's hearing. Stephanie, what do we know about her?
Today, we learned that Karen Silva is being held on an ICE detainer. While she did post bond, she has been in custody since her arrest. Now here, outside of the Learning Club preschool, we can see that the memorial that was set up for Logan Urbina is no longer here. The flowers, balloons, and teddy bears have all been cleared. Today, Karen Silva appeared in a Brownsville courtroom wearing a maroon jumpsuit and handcuffs. Her attorneys tried to get her charges of injury to a child causing death dismissed. They claimed there wasn't enough evidence. That motion was denied by the judge. But during that hearing, a witness was called to testify on behalf of the state. She was also identified as a daycare employee who was also a part of the Los Fresnos Safari field trip that led to Logan Urbina's death.
The co-pilot was Celine Ruiz. I was also driving a caravan.
That daycare employee told the judge she was driving another van filled with kids. Karen Silva was the driver of the van 4-year-old Logan Urbina was in, and Sandy Ruiz, the other suspect in this case, was Silva's passenger. She said the daycare trains employees on field trip protocols. Under that training, drivers are the ones required to check the seats once arriving at the daycare.
So are you trained and supposed to look at all the seats, under and on the seats as well?
Yes, sir.
Are you supposed to go through every row and make sure that there's no children there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you said the driver's supposed to be doing that?
Yes, sir.
She goes on to say that passengers are the ones who are responsible for getting the kids off of the van and doing the head count. Silva's defense argued there was more than just the two women in charge of Logan that day.
Does it appear to you that at snack time nobody determined that Logan was not around?
No.
They missed him, right?
That employee said she was the one who first noticed Logan was missing. Also in the courtroom was the owner of the Learning Club preschool. The defense subpoenaed her to testify. They plan to ask her about the training daycare employees received. However, the request was denied after her attorney argued her testimony could be used against her. As we reported, Logan was left in the daycare van for around 5 hours after the daycare went on a field trip.
Regarding all this talk about the trainings, I mean, no adult needs training to tell you that it's wrong to drive a bunch of little kids and not make sure that they all got out. And
We did reach out to ICE to learn more about Silva's ICE custody. We are still waiting to hear back from them. We'll let you know what we learn on air and online at krgv.com. Live in Brownsville, Stephanie Rosales, Channel 5 News at 6.